Hello, this is Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have a Bokksu unboxing. Let's look at the box. Premium Japanese snacks. Look at all the sides. Bokksu.com. And then there's nothing on the bottom. Alright, let's get into it. Today we have summer fruits. A few of these pages are bent. Fresh and fruity. Learn Japanese in here. We have summer, exhausted, worn out, refreshing, cool, refreshing as in the air temperature, summer fatigue, fruits, nuts, and berries, both edible and inedible, edible fruits, hot, and summer heat. So far, all of these look delicious. More chewy snacks. Oh, there's so many this month. Something spicy. Pepper rice cracker. That sounds really good. Organic Hochka tea. I love that they add like where everything comes from and what's in it. Love it. Next month's haiku hint: fireworks and drums, far more food than we can eat, a summer night feast. Another thank you card. Thank you for being a zestful Bokksu member. One thing I love about curating each box is discovering new flavor combinations that we've never shared before in a Bokksu box, like anpon and yuzu chili pepper flavor rice crackers. This was a super fun and delicious box to curate, so I hope you enjoy the uniquely Japanese fruity flavors as much as I do. This is the tea. Still learning Japanese. Don't know which way it goes. These look good. I like how they have like little cartoon characters on it. Little doggy, monkey, bird, and a person. Try to get a good look. Apparently it was so hot in the box I can still feel the heat. These look really good. I love when they add cartoon characters to the packaging. They look so cute. This looks like a jelly drink. Peach flavored. Looks really good. Definitely going to be one of the first things I try. I like these packagings because they're squared and they're so much fun when you open them. This definitely feels like a cake of some sort. Looks absolutely delicious though. Craving more? Save 10% with code CRAVE10 at bokksu.com/market. That seems to be the end of our box. If you guys have any more unboxing suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you and hope to catch you guys next time.